Dessen, this is a court case that's been a long time coming. Why the postponement?
That's right, Michelle. In fact, I think I spoke a little too soon in my earlier crossing, saying that after all of these delays, that the trial would eventually start today. The last time around that the accused were in this court, there were issues around their legal representation, and it was meant to get underway today. But the court appearance instead was just about 2 or 3 minutes, and the reason for that was that both the parties, the state as well as the defense team, needed to sort out some issues over outstanding documents. These include post-mortem results as well as J88 forms. So it's a very short delay, hopefully, and the trial is expected to get underway tomorrow. It's going to be a lengthy one, Michelle, and that's because there are about 107 witnesses that will be called over the next month or so, and that's when the trial will be taking place in the Pietermaritzburg High Court.
Dessen, was there any anger at this postponement, given that we would have thought, as you say, after one postponement after another, these issues around paperwork would have been sorted out by now?
One would expect that they would, because, Michelle, at this point we must also remember that some of the witnesses that are expected to testify are also in witness protection. You know that all of the issues around Glebelands have always been considered quite dangerous, and during the course of the past 2 years or so, there have been some witnesses that have needed to be protected. So their lives are on hold as we speak, and just now for at least another day before this trial gets underway. The courtroom was quite somber. I think it was also because of the large police presence inside that room, heavily armed policemen surrounding all corners of the courthouse. The members in the public gallery dispersed quite quickly. I imagine they'll be waiting to come back tomorrow. But, Michelle, just to recap for those of our viewers who don't really know exactly what this case is about, the main accused in this case is actually a policeman from Durban Central, and he was arrested about 2 years ago, and the other 7 were arrested shortly after. And it's alleged that he was running a criminal enterprise at the hostel and really ruling under fear there. There were collections that were allegedly taking place where residents had to pay for protection. During the course of this criminal enterprise being run, there were 9 murders that were linked to this group. There were also a host of attempted murders as well. So all 8 accused are charged with racketeering, murder, attempted murder, as well as being in possession of illegal firearms. So certainly going to be interesting details that will be coming out about exactly how this alleged criminal enterprise was running.
Yeah, and tomorrow is when hopefully things finally get underway. Thanks very much for that update. That's my colleague Dessen Thathia.